everyone. This is week 1 of the new membership education program, or what we like to call MEP. This will be discussing an overview of the underwater robotics team. So welcome to the team. What we will be going over today is the timeline of the new membership education program. We'll then be going into the underwater robotics team structure. We'll be going into other sub-team structures, so not the business team today. We'll go into Robo Sub Competition, and then we will go into Q&A. So here's the new membership education program timeline, or what we like to call MEP. This is week 1, where we're talking about the underwater robotics team in general, or UWRT. Next week, we will focus on the business team. We will then go into organization and communication skills. We'll follow up with strategy, then project management. And then the last 5 weeks, we'll be dealing with marketing, outreach, and operations. Week 11 discusses the recap of the program. So what is the underwater robotics team? To start off, we design, build, and program an autonomous underwater vehicle for an international competition called Robo Sub in San Diego, California. This team allows members to have hands-on experience in building, programming a robot, along with the business members to be able to get hands-on professional skills. Continuing, we also provide a mentorship program. So we always pair an upperclassman with an underclassman, or someone that has been on the team longer with someone who has been on the team for a short period of time. We also provide professional development through the business team. We also do networking events with our sponsors we partnered with, and then we do community outreach with Columbus City Schools. As you look at the structure, what you will see is in the top left corner, you will see advisor. Our advisor is Dr. Z. She's a professor within the electrical and computer engineering department, which is in the College of Engineering. Dr. Z got her, when she was getting her PhD at Ohio State, actually worked with the team. So she is very well knowledgeable about robotics and our team. To the right of the advisor is corporate relations. So UWRT has partnered with Ohio State University foundations in order to get grants and sponsorship donations. Our two contacts, Debbie and Holly, help us get Ohio State grants and then company sponsorship. As we go into the executive board, you will see president, and then you will see 5 different positions reporting to the president. You have the vice president, and then you have the 4 sub-teams: mechanical, electrical, software, and business. You might be wondering what technical advisor is, as it is off to the side. The technical advisor is a previous year e-board member who is associated with a specific sub-team, and then they provide the knowledge transfer and take on some additional responsibilities within that sub-team. Here's the mechanical team structure, and long story short, the mechanical team makes the robot. So as you can see here, the mechanical team is structured in a way that there are many teams within it. The many teams consist of main housing, undercarriage, battery housings, center of mass device, 3D printer, assembly, and then task mechanisms team. If you need to know what team member leads those many projects, you can reach out to the project management lead, the operations lead, or the operations analyst in that order. Continuing on, this is the electrical team. The electrical team makes the robot move. So the electrical team is quite smaller than the mechanical team. The electrical team consists of power, auxiliary, actuator, and the embedded team. Again, you'll see, like before, there's a technical advisor associated. If you have any questions in regards to who leads these many projects, please reach out to the project management lead, operations lead, and operations analyst in that order. Here's the structure of the software team. The software team makes the robot think, so this is what allows the robot to be autonomous. As you can see, there are a lot more mini projects, mini teams here. So there's task code, ROS2, Xavier, mapping, vision, RoboThoughts, and simulator. I would like to know a few of these mini projects. ROS2 is, ROS stands for Robot Operating System. So we use ROS1 currently with our robot, and the goal is to transition to ROS2. Xavier is a laptop. So this team is just trying to get the laptop to work with the code. And then RoboThoughts, that is for us to be able to know what the robot's thinking. So the robot has cameras on it, so we are able to see what the robot's seeing, the different pieces of data that are coming in, we're able to conceptualize what they mean. And then here is Robo Sub Competition. So Robo Sub Competition, fundamental goal is for an autonomous underwater vehicle to demonstrate autonomy by completing underwater tasks with a new theme each year. Basically, the new theme makes new tasks that we have to complete. That's why we're able to do a lot of things during the school year, rather than it just be the same old, same old. And I think it would be better if I just showed you a video for you to actually understand this. I would just like to note in that video that it does say specific dates in August. Those are not the exact dates that RoboSub happens every year. Those will change year to year. Following, the reason this was done in 2020 is because of the pandemic. It has not been in person. If you have any questions, please direct them to who you report to, or if you need to go higher up, the business team lead. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week.